What do we got here?
Good morning. We're going to Hawaii.
Hey.
Okay guys, so to make this quick and simple, here are the steps. Step number 1, you're going to find a Hawaiian Airlines testing center. Once you do that, you're going to make an appointment and make sure that you get tested 72 hours prior to flying. After that, you're going to go to safetravels.com and it's going to redirect you to the Hawaii's government website where you're going to create an account. Once you receive your negative test results, you're going to log in into your account and you're going to upload these results on the website. And after that, you have to, and I want to make sure that you remember this one because it is very important. You have to complete the health questionnaire on the website 24 hours before flying to Hawaii. Why is this important? Because once you arrive in Hawaii, they're going to ask you for the email that they send you that has a code. They're going to scan your code at the airport before you leave the airport in Hawaii. And if you don't have this completed, they might send you back to your home stay. So you have to make sure that you follow these steps very, very careful if you want to fly to Hawaii. And that is it. Continue enjoying my video.
We are getting COVID tests today.
Do not put me on video, please.
All right, I'm cutting my mom out of all video, but we are doing COVID tests today for our Hawaii trip. Woohoo!
Aloha.
Aloha! We are heading to Hawaii in April 2021. So if you guys are curious about the time frame, we're doing these COVID tests and the requirements to go to Hawaii. Now, if you want to travel inter-island and hop to different islands, you actually need a new COVID test to hop between those islands. So that's that's a good note if you're planning on traveling to other islands. But for us, we are just going to Oahu, Honolulu. Yeah, we're excited. So yeah, we'll see how this process is. Yeah. Specimen bag. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
First time getting COVID tested.
Yes.
Here we go.
Woohoo.
Oh.
Okay, to the left nostril now.
To the left.
Okay,
Clockwise or counter?
doesn't matter. 2.
Oh yeah, right up that nose. Baby's doing her makeup.
I know.
About to go to the airport. It's about to be lit.
But we're awake, baby.
We're awake. It's about to be lit.
It's about to be lit.
This is our outfits for the airport.
Just comfy, you know.
Speak for yourself. I'm going in fashion, baby.
Baby, fashion can also be comfortable, I'm just saying.
I know, look at me. Hey, epic photograph. That's cool. Epic sword. Epic sword. I actually got this in Hawaii. I got this in Hawaii like 15 years ago. Amazing. I got all these in Hawaii actually. So maybe I'll get one while I'm here. Might be time to get a new one.
I have it in my backpack.
You have the Gorilla tripod?
Yeah.
Oh, let me get it right now. I'm so inspired by Alone now. I love
that.
I hit my head. Ow. Yep. That one hurt a little bit. No, I'm good. Just hit my head. All right.
Hi.
Hi. All right. Here we go.
Here we go. On our way to Hawaii. I mean, on our way to Hawaii. Well, on our way to the airport.
Braids, report.